what I do is just like you know, you know what I mean? Like,
Yo, so check this out. I was having troubles with the rear servo. It was getting out of control. As I was going up the hill, it just started bending and doing whatever it wanted because they're insanely weak. They just have no strength to them at all. So I put on another Emax and in the rear, and you know how there's no adjustment for the rear at all. You can only trim the front. So I was trying to figure out a way how to get it to center. Well, this was my first attempt. It didn't go so well. You can see it just melted horribly. So what I ended up doing was getting a new one, getting some vice grips here, making it the perfect guard to protect that end that goes onto the threads or the fins or whatever you call it, the end of the servo. It's got all the goodness in there. And then I took a pair of these forceps, covered the other end where the actual thread is going to go through. Right, a little screw, I guess, from the arm. And heated it up and gave it a bend. My first attempt, you can see it didn't go well. Second attempt went pretty good. It's on there, and you can see the slight bend it has. It is ever so slightly. Just very small bend. Worked perfectly. This thing doesn't dog track now. It was the only thing I could come up with that was gonna actually allow it to work with a rear servo. So that took some time, took some freaking effort, but much better now. Has strength. It can turn and stay straight. It's not just gonna flop on you. And then I decided to put the case back on and clean up the wires. So now everything's nice and good looking in there.
peace.